Slow cooker cheesy bacon ranch potatoes. Say that 10 times really fast.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Of course, you'll need a slow cooker to make these because they're slow cooker cheesy bacon ranch potatoes. Line your slow cooker with some aluminum foil. You don't have to do this, but it's going to save you some cleanup time. Spray it with some little bit of cooking spray or use the aluminum foil that's non-stick. And then you're going to layer some ingredients. You need 3 pounds of chopped up potatoes, third of those on the bottom. Add 2 slices of bacon that have been cooked and crumbled, and then sprinkle on some powdered ranch dressing mix. And the amount you use is up to you. The original recipe I used asked for a tablespoon, and I'll talk about that at the end of the recipe. Sprinkle on about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and then you're going to repeat this process 2 more times with 1/3 of the potatoes, 2 more slices of bacon, a little bit more ranch dressing, another 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, and then so on until you'll end up with a layer of potatoes and bacon and cheese on the top. Use the excess foil to cover the potatoes just by pushing it on top. Add the lid to your slow cooker, and then you're going to cook 7 or 8 hours on low or 3 or 4 hours on high until tender. And then just before serving, sprinkle on some additional cheddar cheese, close up the foil, and just let it sit there until the cheese is melted. And then you can garnish with some chopped onion or some chopped up chives. Now, not surprisingly, these are delicious. You can't really go wrong with potatoes, cheddar, and bacon. The ranch flavor, however, wasn't nearly as strong as I would have liked it to be. The original recipe and the one I followed asks for a tablespoon of ranch seasoning and dressing powdered mix. I recommend you double that. Use at least 2 tablespoons when you make these so that the ranch flavor is a little bit more prominent. This is something I will make again. Now, another one of my favorite potato recipes are these crispy oven baked potatoes. If you want to see this, go ahead and click right on your screen.